Today's average battery is about 3 years. Usually an indication of the battery starting to go, especially as the temperature drops, resistance goes up to the flow of electricity. So you'll have a battery that will start to drag. The car doesn't turn over as fast as it normally does. It's usually a good indication that your battery's starting to go on it. I recommend you test your batteries at least once a year prior to the winter season.
When your battery needs to be replaced, the car seems to have a slow start or dragging when it starts. It can have lights come on, but typically we do a battery test with all our services, especially in the fall and through the winter months when it is cold. We don't want to leave you stranded. And that'll give us a good indication what the state of life of your battery is. We can check your battery every time you come in for service. And it takes only seconds, so we can do it at no charge to you.